Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Anti-Dust Mite Handheld Vacuum Cleaner from Silvercrest. Effective against dust mites, germs and bacteria. 99.95% retention with 300 watts. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Include we have the manual. HEPA filter in dust container, I will show you. 4 meters cable, very convenient. One hand operation, the on-off switch here. Here at the bottom we have the vibration heads. 2 wheels, adjustable, UVC lamp, 4 LEDs, 12 watts total, the suction opening, the container lock and lock, 250 ml it is the container capacity, pull and you can remove the filter, another HEPA filter, 2 replacement, just pull and you can remove this dust filter, the plastic area, the cover, silicone rubber around here and around here, very soft. Alignment at this position. We can see the lock and lock icons here. Rotate and it locks. That was all, so easy. Let's plug it in. Here we have the UVC button to activate the UV lights and on off. It doesn't work. You need to press these 2 wheels and then it will work. Together with the vibration head. A measurement of safety. You need to press both wheels down. So let's give it a test, see how it works. Check the performance. I really like how easy it is to use and its compact design. It is also very effective at removing dust and allergens from everyday surfaces. If you wake up with a stuffy nose or if you simply want an extra level of hygiene for your mattresses and sofas, the answer is definitely yes. It's light and easy to maneuver, it's incredibly satisfying and a little gross. To see how much fine dust it pulls out of a clean bed. It's a specialized tool that does one job: sanitizing your fabrics and does it much better than a standard handheld vacuum cleaner ever could. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on more home cleaning tools, appliances and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, keep your home clean and comfortable, and I'll see you in the next one.